what was great about the sport, which was the audience.
Yeah.
So you don't want a third fight, but do you want to continue boxing?
Yeah. I mean, you know, if right, then of course I'd take it. Like, you know, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna be smart. You know, I'm a businessman at the end of the day as well, and like, you know, I'm gonna take it. I'm not gonna just take
These guys, and then we'll switch.
Were you surprised at all from where I was sitting? At least it sounded like you had far more fans. Were you surprised being, you know, the outside fighter with the bigger support here in LA?
Well, I mean, I know Logan just watch what he does, but yeah, no, I mean, like, it's, and I did, so.
Hey, KSI, what was the difference between, you know, you winning tonight and Logan coming up short? Was you talked before the fight about using the guys Muhammad Ali fought? Was it that IQ, or was it skill, or was it will? Was it that IQ?
I mean, it was like, you know, I was in that ring. I was just thinking. Okay, how am I gonna put Logan down? He likes to. I've seen a flash and everything, like, and yeah, got the.
So there were over 12,000 fans who came to see you tonight.
Yeah.
Do you think that, considering there is a demand for you to be in the ring, you're kind of going to be pushed into a career you might not necessarily want, but it makes business sense?
I think.